glitchy, so I'm sorry. Well, let's go. But first, we're gonna pass all the tunnels, and then we're gonna crash. So let's go. Finally, I fixed it so it will go faster and smooth. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Close my car doors. There you go. Close my car doors. There you go. Now. There you go. No. Close it. Good boy. There you go. Now it's fixed. Now it's fixed. Now it's better. Much better. Ah, that's a relief. What a stupid glitch. And I thought stupid. But let's slow down because I don't want to get crashed. So slow down. Son of. But let's ignore it. We don't want to fix the damn doors anymore. Slow down. Just use your less speed force. This amount of speed is not safe. Let's use a less force. So let's take it easy. Now let's take it easy. Let's go. Okay. It does brakes. Because it's called natural speeding. Natural speeding is not safe. We'll go fast as we can. Let's slow down if we want to get crashed. There you go. Now this will slow down. There you go. This will slow down and safely drive. There you go. I'm gonna take it easy. Take you easy, brother. There's a view. We almost there. Hang on, guys. There you go. That will slow the car down. Alright, easy. Whoa. Alright, let's go. And now we can put speed. So let's go. And now it's time for this speed. We are dead. But thank you so much for videoing and subscribe to my channel. So see you later. Bye.